Copywriting is a skill that is very important in today's world because of the way technology has changed the way we communicate. Whether it's crafting an attention-grabbing headline or writing compelling product descriptions, the ability to write effective copy can be extremely valuable. And for those looking to start a side hustle, copywriting can be a great option. Not only is it relatively easy to get started, but there's also a demand for skilled copywriters. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money, consider becoming a copywriter. In this video, I will talk about some of the basics of copywriting and how you can get started with it. I have also put the timelines in the description, so you can watch any part of this video simply by clicking on it. Before getting started, please give a thumbs up to this video and hit the subscribe button so that you will never miss any of my future videos. I also want to let you know that these days, artificial intelligence makes our copywriting tasks much easier. In my case, I have been using AI to write 5 blog posts per day instead of 1 post per 3 days. Make sure to click the first link in the description of this video to try this AI writing software. This tool will definitely help you write any content even if you have zero skills. All right, let's get into the video. What is copywriting and why does it matter in today's world? Copywriting is the art and science of creating compelling, persuasive, and interesting written content. It's often used in marketing and advertising to promote products or services, but it can also be used for anything from email subject lines to website pages. In a world where everyone is bombarded with messages, good copywriting can make all the difference in whether or not someone pays attention to what you're trying to say. Why you should consider doing copywriting as a side hustle. If you're bored of your 9-to-5 job and are looking for a way to make some extra cash, then you should consider copywriting as a side hustle. Copywriting is a great way to use your creativity to earn money, and it can be done from the comfort of your own home. What's more, you can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. How much can you earn as a copywriter? A lot of people want to know how much they can earn as a copywriter. It really depends on a lot of factors, including your experience, the type of project, and the client's budget. Generally speaking, you can earn anywhere from $50 to $200 per hour as a copywriter. Of course, if you're just getting started, you may not be able to command the same rates as a more experienced writer. But don't worry, as you build up your portfolio and write more and more projects, you'll be able to command higher rates. And who knows? If you're really good at it, you could even make copywriting your full-time job. How to get started with copywriting as a side hustle. Many people think of copywriting as a dry and daunting task. However, it doesn't have to be that way. In fact, copywriting can be a fun and creative way to make some extra money on the side. Here are a few tips to get started. First, identify your niche. What topics do you enjoy writing about? What do you have expertise in? Once you've narrowed down your focus, you'll be able to better target your marketing efforts. Next, create a portfolio of your work. This will give potential clients an idea of your style and skills. Be sure to include a variety of copywriting samples, such as website content, blog posts, and email marketing content. Then, start pitching your services to potential clients. You can do this by sending out cold emails or reaching out to companies on social media. Finally, once you land a few clients, be sure to deliver quality work and meet deadlines. This will help you build a strong reputation as a reliable copywriter, which will lead to more work in the future. How to find clients for your copywriting service. Here are a few ways to find clients for your new copywriting business. Number 1, get involved with local businesses. Talk to small businesses in your area and see if they need help with their marketing material. You'd be surprised how many businesses are happy to outsource their copywriting needs. Number 2, use social media. Create a profile on platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter and showcase your copywriting skills. You can also look for job postings on these sites. Number 3, check out online job boards. Sites like Indeed or Craigslist often have job postings for freelance copywriters. Number 4, pitch to bloggers. Many bloggers are always in need of quality content. Reach out and see if they're interested in working with you. There are many different ways to get started with copywriting as a side hustle. The most important thing is to identify your niche and start marketing your services. With a little effort, you can soon be on your way to making extra cash as a copywriter. The benefits of being a good copywriter. There are many benefits to being a good copywriter. Perhaps the most obvious benefit is that you can make a lot of money. According to studies, the median income for freelance writers is nearly $60,000 per year. Experienced writers can easily make much more than that. But money is not the only benefit of being a good copywriter. Copywriting also provides an opportunity to work from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. This makes it ideal for people who want to travel or work from home. Another benefit of copywriting is that it allows you to be your own boss. You can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. This can be a great way to achieve a work-life balance. Finally, copywriting is a skill that you can use for the rest of your life. Once you learn how to write persuasive content, you can apply it to any number of situations. Whether you're writing an email to a client or creating a social media post, being a good copywriter will always be an asset. In conclusion, copywriting is a great way to make money on the side. It's a flexible gig that you can do from anywhere in the world, and it pays well. If you're looking for a creative way to earn some extra cash, then copywriting is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Do you want to learn more about copywriting? If so, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.